Hello, and welcome to Introduction to Music and Worship, Lesson 7. My name is Carter Threlkeld, and today we are going to watch a video called The Beat. Let's watch. Today we are looking at the third and final building block of music called rhythm. We're going to look at these different aspects of rhythm: the pulse, the tempo, the meter, term called subdivision, accents, syncopation, and cross rhythms. Well, the first rhythm that we experience is the beat of our mother's heart. That beat represents life and is sometimes called the pulse of the music. The pulse of the music can be slow, medium, or fast, and it expresses different physical experiences. We call the speed of the pulse the tempo of the music. And the tempo is measured in BPM, or beats per minute. There's resting tempo, which is about 60 beats per minute. There's a walking tempo, which is 75 to 85 beats per minute. And then there's running tempo, which is from 120 on up. When our ears hear or our bodies feel these beats or pulses like this, our mind needs to organize them. If you were laying on your bed at night and the fan above you, a ceiling fan above you, were spinning and ticking, after a while your mind would begin to organize that sound with numbers. You would be hearing it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, even though the fan wasn't actually doing that. This organizing of the beats is called meter. And we organize the beats in different ways. The simplest meter is referred to as 2/4, and it's usually associated with marching. Left, right, left, right. Since we're two-legged creatures, this is a very common musical signature. Next would be walking, which would be 4 beats with just a different count to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next would be skipping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 skip, 2 skip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next would be a 3/4 count, which is associated with waltzing or different types of poetry. That 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then when you combine any of those together, if you combine 4 and 3 or 2 and 6, you get what is called a compound meter. Since rhythm is linked to melody, and many times melody is linked to poetry and sentences, it's normal for the delivery of the words to organize the meter. For example, if I was to say, "This is the day that the Lord hath made, I will rejoice and be glad in it," that implies a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a 6/8 count of the meter. But if I was to say, "This is the day that the Lord hath made, I will rejoice and be glad in it," now I'm implying a 4/4, a left, right, a 4/4 meter. So we see that the organization of the beat is really submissive to the words and the pattern of the speech. So we come to now another term called subdivision. And we'll look at subdivision, accents, and syncopation. These are devices used to express the meaning of the music and to emphasize it. Subdividing means to take the beat. If we're in a four pulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we would subdivide that into 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you can subdivide that again into 16th notes, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. And there are infinite possibilities of subdivision. Go ahead and take a minute to watch this YouTube video, which will help explain subdivision. Then I want you to watch this example of subdivision written by Vivaldi. The piece is called Winter. It was written over 300 years ago, but it subdivides. It begins with a bump, 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 a quarter note, then eighth notes, then 32nd notes, and then later on you'll hear 16th notes. So enjoy those two examples. Next is accents. And we know that accents give emphasis. And so if I was to say, for example, Mary had a little lamb, that would mean Mary has a little lamb. But if I was to say Mary had a little lamb, that would imply that she doesn't have the lamb anymore. So accents can give emphasis and different meaning to the music. And finally, syncopation, which I'll ask you to watch this video, which explains it very completely. And how that is used in music today. And next, we come to something, the final thing in our music discussion of rhythm, and this is cross rhythms. And cross rhythms are the use of two different meters at the same time. And this is a rhythmic device that really comes out of all child play. You probably did it when you were a child and didn't realize it. But if one rhythm was going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, someone else might do a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 rhythm. And if you combine them both together, you get the 1, 2, 1, 2, and the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is a simple illustration of cross rhythms. I'd like you to listen to these two videos. One gives a definition of cross rhythms. The other is an amazing piece written about 100 years ago by Igor Stravinsky. It's called The Rite of Spring. And it was an amazing piece at the time and still is. And in this piece, he begins to experiment with cross rhythms. I hope you enjoy it. And this will conclude our introduction to the three basic components of music: melody, harmony, and rhythm. And now, from here on out, we're going to see how these basic components are used together to create all of music. That ends today's lesson. I hope it's been a blessing to you.